Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Dr. Hafsa's Obstetrics and Gynecology Study channel. In this video, I'm going to conclude my topic of pelvic diaphragm. So as I told you that pelvic diaphragm is made up of two elevator and eye muscles which are present on the both sides. In this video, I'm going to talk about the functions of elevator and eye muscles. First of all, the contraction of the elevator muscles, they pull both the rectum and the vagina towards the surface pubis, and the rectum is thereby kinked and closed. Then this pelvic diaphragm supports the pelvic viscera, and the vagina is narrowed anteroposteriorly because of the contractions of this elevator and eye muscle. Then another thing is that the origin of the elevator and eye muscle is fixed because the muscle arises anteriorly either from the bone or the fascia which is attached to the bone. But the insertion of the elevator and eye muscle, which is either into the anococcygeal raphe or into the coccyx, so both of these are movable, so the insertion of this muscle is movable. Movement of the internal rotation of the presenting part during the parturition is also assisted by the contraction of this elevator and eye muscles. Uterine contractions, when they push the presenting part down upon the elevator and eye muscles, then it causes these elevator and eye muscles to contract, and when this contracts, as the fibers are directed inwards and forwards, so by the contraction of these fibers, the presenting part is also pushed or rotated forwards or inwards. And another thing is that both the superior and the inferior surfaces of these elevator and eye muscles is covered with pelvic fascia, which separates these muscles from the perimetrium above and from the fatty tissue and the fibrous tissue of the ischorectal fossa below. Keep following my channel for more information.